Happy Friday. We have indeed made it to the end of the business week, and we have a sunny one for us as we head into the weekend. A look at our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam shows a camper going out there getting ready for the weekend, and we've got only a light breeze there on those flags at the Dakota Magic Casino. So, yes, that's the same story that we were expecting with light breeze and plenty of sunshine out and about on this Friday afternoon. Temperatures in those 60s to 70s for most of us, but still holding on to those 50s in our northern Minnesota neighborhoods, already at 80 degrees for our friends in Watertown. So I do expect that warmer air to encroach on southern North Dakota, so could see those 80s working into the Oaks, Lisbon, Allendale areas as we go into the hottest part of our Friday. There's the big picture. Seeing a few thin wafting clouds across the area at this hour, but really nothing to be concerned about this afternoon, which is great news for those outdoor plants. Hour by hour for the rest of the afternoon shows that warmest air, of course, off toward the south. And I do expect our northern Minnesota neighbors to eventually make it into those low 60s by the 4 o'clock hour or so. Still northeast winds around 10 miles per hour for most of us. You can see plenty of clear sky with a few wafting clouds. By 8 p.m., we're seeing those 50s still to the north as the sun sets. It gets cooler up there a little bit faster. Still 60s and 70s for the rest of us. A little bit of a breeze in the southern part of our viewing area. By 10 o'clock, seeing 50s for pretty much everybody with those low 60s to the south. And we will keep the clear skies in the overnight hours. So another cooler night is in store, as you can see by, say, 8 a.m., back in the 50s for us before briefly dipping into those mid-40s off toward the north. So another crisp start to a day as we go into the day on Saturday. But here is what we're expecting again for this afternoon. If you're still planning on heading out and about, plenty of sunshine. Those temperatures in the lower 60s off toward the north. So quite a bit cooler than we're expecting, of course, with those low 80s off toward the south, about 20-degree difference from north to south in the temperature department this afternoon. Now, here is that 7-day planner. I want to get this in to get the weekend detailed for you. Expecting plenty of sunshine for Saturday with those temperatures. Saturday, upper 70s to lower 80s, a little bit warmer than it will be this afternoon. But then Sunday, I expect 80s for the Southern Valley and 70s for the north. We are watching, though, some storms moving in from the west. So plenty of sunshine through the day Sunday, but late on Sunday, we do expect things to get a bit more shaken up. Now, moving into, of course, the first half of next week, temperatures moving into those low to mid 80s. And with that, we could see some strong storms with plenty of humidity and coupled with that heat. Some of those storms could be, of course, on the strong side. We're going to watch that very carefully for you to, of course, bring you that forecast with any possible impacts to you and your life as we go through the first 3 days of next week. But it's going to be a humid one next week. As you can see, those overnight lows only dropping into the mid 60s. So it's going to be that sticky atmosphere as we go into the middle part of next week.
But Nathan, let's just focus on the Friday and the Saturday we have, because it's looking beautiful out there.
It is looking beautiful. Great to get out and about and enjoy this mid-June weekend.
Most definitely. Thank you, Nathan. Straight ahead here at noon, how some states are handling a second COVID-19 surge after social distancing rules are lifted.